Hey guys, this is Des with T-Mobile, and today we're excited to share the new Samsung Galaxy A52 5G is coming to T-Mobile, the leader in 5G. The Galaxy A series is a family of Samsung devices that can help deliver everything you need to stay connected, including great screens, camera features you'll love, and long-lasting batteries, all on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. In this video, we're going to check out the Galaxy A52 5G and some of its cool features, including the beautiful 120Hz display, quad camera with optical image stabilization, and its long-lasting 4500 mAh battery. And we'll even take a look inside the box while we're here. Okay, so 120Hz. This might be the first time you've heard of it. It means the screen is really smooth as you scroll through your pictures and watch videos. And the A52 5G's screen is a beautiful 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED Infinity O screen. On the back, there's a 64 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, 123-degree ultra-wide camera, and a depth camera to help with focusing and portrait modes. There's even a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, and I'll get in trouble if I don't mention single-take mode, where your camera takes images and videos for about 10 seconds and then comes back with some fun AI-edited photos, videos, boomerangs, and more. I have to admit, it's one of my favorite features. You've got to check it out. The Galaxy A52 5G has a large 4500 mAh battery, comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of built-in storage. Plus, it has an expandable micro SD card slot that lets you add up to a terabyte more. It runs Android 10 out of the box and is IP67 Water and dust resistant. Now inside the box, you've got the new Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, SIM card, USB-C charging cable, and 15-watt fast charger. I think the new A52 5G may just be one of the best values in our 5G lineup today. It's a value-priced smartphone loaded with some awesome features in a premium design to help you get and stay connected on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check out the new Galaxy A52 5G at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at tmobile.com. Now stay tuned for our next exciting video coming up next.